Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily delete a group in WhatsApp forever. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure to put your likes, write comments under this video, and let's get started. And first of all, open the WhatsApp app and then go to the bottom under the chat section. And then you'll need to go to group. But let me tell you right away, you will only be able to delete a group if you are the administrator or the creator of that group. When you have gone to the group, at the top click on the name of the group and then scroll down. And if you look, there is no function to delete a group down here because there is no such option in WhatsApp. So I found such an interesting workaround on how you can do this. It will take a little bit more time, but it is an effective method. First of all, friends, you will have to, in the members section, you will have to delete absolutely all the members one by one from your group. To do that, you'll need to click on the person's name and select Remove from Group. Confirm the action. And once you've done that with all the members of the group, the next thing you'll need to do is select Leave Group at the bottom. Select Leave Group. Also here you can choose to delete the chat room and select Delete All Messages. Then at the very bottom, select Delete Group. Confirm your action, and the group will be deleted immediately. Friends, this is how you can permanently delete the group from WhatsApp. Hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.